Okay, hello everybody. All right, if you emailed me your homework, all right, I got it. I'm gonna put it in the next day. Um, it's the only way you're gonna bring your grade up. Okay. Um, so yeah, we expect you to be doing the assignments. Okay. Today is combination versus permutation. This is actually kind of a neat thing. The word problems are kind of cool. Okay. What these are is the same type of thing as the last homework. All right, the number of ways something could happen. Okay, but permutation is the number of ways. Okay, but when the order matters. Okay, okay, or I say when positions are different. Okay, this is going to be important in a little bit. Different. Oh, different. Okay. All right. The first thing we're gonna do, guys, is just talk about calculators. Okay, guys. This blue infinity sign calculator. There's you guys all have whatever free calculator. Don't buy one. Okay, but whatever free app on the phone or the iPad. This is available both ways on the phone and the iPad. All right. But as far as I can tell, I looked, okay, pretty, like I looked for a good 15 minutes. I did not see a permutation combination button on the iPhone. Okay, so that's not what you want. All right, you want you need a button. Okay, first of all, if you have the little TI-30 calculator, okay, there's an NCR button and an NPR button. Okay, so to do like number 7 right here, what you have to do is you have to hit the 15 first, then the C button, okay, then the 8, okay, and then it's the same thing for the P except you use a different button. Okay, the apps nowadays, like when I was your age, we didn't have that. The apps are awesome. So if you look at the plus and minus symbols, okay, then it pops up right there. Okay, so after you get the idea, you're just typing stuff in the calculator. Okay, so 7, 6. So what does this even mean? Okay, here's an example of number 1. I have 7 kids to choose from. Okay, and I need one kid to do the first 4 problems. I need another kid to do the second 4 problems. I need another kid to do the third, etc. So your job, your homework is different depending on which one I choose, okay? Because I'm going to assign you either the first 4, the second 4, the third 4, etc. Okay? Now, let's go to number 5. All right, number 5 is a combination, a C problem. It's a combination. All right, so I just need the combination button. All right, this is just a calculator practice. All right, 16 combination 5. Okay, hit enter. 4,368. Okay, 4,368. Okay, what does that mean? My kids were goofing around with this, making the pen too big. What this means is there's 16 kids in class, and I need 5 kids to go to my car and help me carry up boxes in. Okay? It doesn't matter, like, if I call on Johnny first, or Johnny second, or Johnny third, or Johnny fourth, or Johnny fifth. If you're in the group, you're in the group. It doesn't matter if you're the first kid called or the second kid called. Everybody's in. Okay? Whereas this one, I made up a story about are you doing the first 4 problems or the second 4 problems? Okay? That makes a difference. You got to pay attention to which one's which. If you're a C, then you're just in the group. Okay? But everybody in the group is exactly the same. Okay? All right. So, yeah, guys, if you email me like a picture of your calculator or something, if you're stuck, all right, but you guys will figure it out. If just download a calculator. It's, it's not a big deal. Don't pay for it. Just, find a free one. You guys all do. All right. So, but as far as I know, the iPhone calculator is terrible. It didn't work. Okay. I couldn't find the button. All right. Number 9, we're going to do the word problems. Okay. We're going to do the word problems. They're actually kind of cool. I kind of like these. Okay. This is something I save for the end of the year because kids actually kind of, like, you guys kind of get into it and stuff. And at the end of the year, like, the weather's nice and, like, it's not as, you're just getting excited about summer. This is actually kind of a nice change of pace. And it's like kids are pretty good at it too. So it's not, something really confusing. Okay. All right. Gabriella and Jacob are planning a trip to 2 countries this year. There are 4 countries to choose that they would like. One trip will be 1 week and one trip will be 2 weeks. Okay. So when you read stuff online about permutation combination, they tell you that permutation order matters. Okay. But it's not just about the order. It's about, is there a difference between one and another? Okay. So this thing, one trip is 1 week and one trip is 2 weeks. So it matters, are you on the 1 week trip or the 2 week trip? Are we going to Italy for 1 week or are we going to Italy for 2 weeks? Okay. So this is a P because 1 week is different than 2 weeks. All right. So there are 4 countries total. Okay. And you're going to 2 of them. Okay. Now, let me show. That's not what I wanted. All right, so I want a P, okay? I want a P, 4, choose 2, hit enter. All right, the answer is 12. Now, let's do 2, permutation 4. Oh, that shouldn't work. Okay. I was going to say, if you put it in the wrong order, it's going to give you error. I don't know, maybe this calculator is funky like that. If it gives you error, you're just putting the numbers in wrong. Okay. All right. 12 lacrosse players. So the first number is going to be 12. All right. 12 lacrosse players need to choose 3 players to fill the water cooler. Now, they tell you about a water cooler and not about like who starts. Because as soon as you say who starts, well, like, am I in the starting group or am I in the second group or the third group or whatever? Like, am I better than somebody else? So they say I need 3 players to fill the water cooler. It doesn't matter what 3 kids it is. Okay? Doesn't matter what 3 kids it is. That's what makes it a choose. So 12, choose 2. Okay? 66. Okay? All right. Daryl and Catherine are planning trips to 3 countries. There are 9 they would like to visit. Okay? One country will be 1 week long, 2 days long, and 2 weeks. Okay? So because the 3 trips are different, it's a permutation. Okay, so 9. Oh, I gotta hit this first. 9P3. Okay, 504. Okay, 35 applicants for 3 jobs: computer programmer, software tester, manager. Okay, so because there are 3 different jobs, it's a P. Now, if it said there are 35 applicants for 3 math teacher jobs, well, if all those 3 math teacher jobs are the same, it doesn't matter if I was their first pick, their second pick, or their third pick, because we all got the same job. All right? This is different because one's a programmer, one's a tester, one's a manager. Okay? So that's why it's a P. Oh. All right, so 35P3. It's going to be a huge number. All right, don't be shocked, guys, when you get huge numbers. Okay? All right, Arjun has homework in 6 subjects. He's deciding what order to complete them. It says order, so order matters. Now, he doesn't say he's going to skip any of his homework. He's going to do all of it. So 6P6. Now, that's kind of goofy. Like, why is it 6? You're going to do all of them. You're not, like, going to choose 2 homeworks. You're going to do all of them. So there's 6 of them, and you're going to do all 6, but it says what order. Okay, so 6P6, okay, 720. Okay, just to show you guys, if it was a combination, 6, 6, okay, it would just be 1, because you're saying how many different ways can I take my 6 homework assignments and do all 6 of them? Well, if order doesn't matter, and I just need to figure out, like, I have to do them all, well, there's only one way to do them all. You do all of them. I don't know, that it's kind of even weird to say. Okay, 2 more. Student body, 40 students, okay, wants to elect president, vice president, secretary, treasurer. Okay, so 4 positions, okay? There's 40 kids. Now, those 4 positions are different. It's not 4 kids that go to my car and get a box. It's 4 different positions. It makes a difference if you're president or vice president or secretary or treasurer. So that's why it's a P, okay? So 40. Oh, I got to hit this button first. 40. 2,193,360. Okay. 15 basketball players. 3 players to refill the water. Okay. So again, like, if you're the first person told to do it, the second person, or the third person, that it doesn't matter. Like, you're in a group of 3, you have to go. There's no difference in that group of 3. All right. So that's a combination. Okay. $455. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching the video. Here's your assignment, okay? Here's your assignment. I want you to fill in the odds, okay? But that's just doing with me, right? Okay, and then your homework is the evens, okay? So you have 11 questions. Literally, this should take you like 6 minutes after you watch this video. But 6 minutes, to do the homework, okay? All right. Keep me posted. Email me. All right. If you guys need anything, shoot me an email, and I can pass that along to somebody else if, it's not math related. All right. But if it's math related, just let me know. Those of you who did the homework, I'm going to put that in the next day or so. So just hang tight. Your grades will be, I'll put it in. All right. And also, guys, you guys are more than welcome to resubmit or turn in any homework that was from, when we were in normal class, okay? So let's get the grades up. Let's just be doing the short assignments I ask you for, all right? Stay safe, stay away from other people.